deep in the green Amazon rainforest, where tall trees reach up to the clouds and rivers flow. Like nature's own pathways, there lived a gentle giant. His name was Raja, a wise elephant, who was different from all others. He had great strength and a kind heart. Raja was the protector of the forest. He watched over every creature, big and small, with love and care in his eyes. Each day, Raja walked through the jungle, moving quietly between the giant trees, always looking out for those who needed help. One sunny morning, Raja discovered something special. Hidden deep in the forest, he found a secret place, where a family of rare jaguars lived safely. But danger was coming closer. Bad people wanted to cut down the precious trees and destroy the animals' homes for money. Raja knew he had to do something. He called all the forest animals together and asked them to stand united and strong. The animals agreed to help. Birds flew high and sang loudly from the trees. Monkeys jumped from branch to branch, spreading the message everywhere. Even the smallest creatures joined in. Together, they created a peaceful wall that the harmful people could not cross. Day after day, more animals came. They were inspired by Raja's bravery and his belief that together they could win. Finally, the bad people gave up. They left the forest alone, and peace returned to the Amazon once more. From that special day forward, Raja became a true hero. He showed everyone that courage and unity can change everything. The rainforest grew green and beautiful again. All the animals lived happily, thankful for the brave elephant who saved their home. And the forest continues to thrive today, full of life, hope, and endless wonders, just as nature intended it to be. Thank you for watching Fluent Harbor.